Very first is none other than Karishma Kapoor, who filed her divorce papers in Bandra Family Court to get parted away from hubby Sanjay Kapoor. The couple tied knot on 29 September 2003, but airing buzz goes that model Priya Chatwal is the vamp in the love story of Lolo and Sanjay Kapoor. With a daughter Samaira and son Kian Raj Kapoor, blue-eyed Karishma moved to her mother's nest. The 17-year-old cutest couple of Hrithik Roshan and Suzanne Khan is no more a couple today. This bond will be called off formally this year on October 31st. Shockwaves prevailed when Suzanne came with the blames of drug abuse over Hrithik. This cute pair has two sons named Rihan and Ridan. Rumors of Dugu's affair with female co-stars created rift between them on and off in the past. Buzzing mills that Suzanne and her sass Pinky Roshan are not in good terms. So, Suzanne took this hard decision of divorce. It seems Cupid had lost its hex. That's why Lovebird Anurag Kashyap and Kalki Koechlin got sting of separation. Love bloomed between them from the set of Devdi. Their chemistry clicked and the two wedded in Hush Hush Affair on April 30th, 2011 in Ooty. Both came with separation note in public on November 13th, 2003 that was shock. The love story of the perfect actor Aamir Khan did not end as perfect. Love bug bit and Aamir fell in love with Reena Datta on the set of Qayamat Se Qayamat Tak. Son Junaid and daughter Ira came in their life. But Aamir's proximity with Dil Chahta Hai co-star Preity Zinta was in the air. The nest of love caught fire and both ended their 15-year-old marriage in December 2002. Later, Aamir and Kiran Rao tied knot on December 5, 2011. Saif Ali Khan's romantic stance got him closer to the most gorgeous actress of her time, Amrita Singh. Love bloomed from the set of Rahul Rawal's film and Choti Nawaz kept his beat. Marriage bells rang later, but Swiss model Rosa Catalano shattered this couple's home. Amrita parted away and now Saifo is married to Queen of Bollywood Kareena Kapoor. The politician blood Rahul Mahajan bonded in nuptial knot with Shweta Singh on August 29, 2006 at Blue Sea in US, but incompatibility and domestic violence parted them away on August 1st, 2008 in a Gurgaon court. Rahul picked a Bengali model Dimpy on the set of Rahul Ka Swayamvar and tied knot once again. One of the top 100 golfers, Jyoti Singh Randhawa, wooed model actress Chitrangda Singh to marriage. Unfortunately, the couple missed the feel of love. Chitrangda declared separation in 2013. Finally, it was a divorce in April 2014, but Chitrangda managed to win the custody of her lone son Zorawar Randhawa. Stunning actress Manisha Koirala wedded to businessman Samrat Dahel in 2010, but something went wrong in their paradise. Manisha called Dahel her worst enemy on social networking site. Her mother intervened and called their differences as a tiff. But Manisha moved back to her penthouse in Mumbai and declared her as a singer. Actor Sanjay Dutt was in the heaven when Richa Sharma became his better half in 1987. But Richa chose to go on separate way after 2 years. Divorce was filed and granted. Thereafter, his chemistry with new ladylove Riya Pillai did not work and ended in divorce. But now he is happy spouse of Manyata Dutt. South Indian superstar Kamal Haasan was married to Vani Ganapati, but his 10-year-old marriage was set on blaze. Then he fell for green-eyed Sarika and tied knot for the second time. But rumors spread everywhere about his affair with actress Simran Bagga. Second time he went through divorce.